Joshua love spaghetti and cheese. And he just eat a little bit and the rest he left tolerable. Come in, Jeff. Shut the door. All right. Yeah. See that this one? I like this one, but this one we have to be careful. I give them.
Yeah.
I mix it with crack corn.
Mm-hmm.
You know. All right. All right. Here we go. We fill the bucket. Right there. And then I put some on the inside. Oh, look at that, Jeff.
No eggs.
They're giving eggs.
Oh, all right.
All right.
Cool.
All right.
Smell like a zoo, huh? Smell like a little zoo.
Yeah, those are the nice. Those are the Guinean. We call them the Guinean. And this is the dangerous.
The little one?
This little one, when you less expect, he attack you. You give them some water. They think I'm gonna have breakfast. Hold on.